What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We got a brand new ball from 900 Global. It is the Viking. Okay, before we get this video started, I got Ricky right here. He's one of our youth ballers in our Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening youth program.
Every week.
Hey, you wanna come over here and introduce yourself? This is Ricky Poop. We call him Poop.
I was influenced to go two-handed because I can't throw the ball one-handed for anything.
All right, so Ricky is still one of our up-and-coming youth ballers. We're gonna bounce some ideas off of him because clearly you guys don't really care what the pros have to say. Some of you guys do, I appreciate you guys, but for those of you that think we want an amateur perspective, we have said amateur here. So we got Viking. What is Viking? It's gonna be hyperdrive-ish realm, core-wise. I'm gonna compare it to the Pearl, the hyperdrive Pearl today. I was told it should be a little bit smoother, a little bit more on the body of the lane, so just a little bit earlier than the hyperdrive Pearl. We have a 5x5x4 layout here. Starting to go a little weaker with my layouts because I'm starting to roll it more. It is brand new. I have a decent amount of games on my hyperdrive Pearl, so we always have to keep that in mind when comparing bowling balls. These ball reviews are always about comparing them to other bowling balls, not just seeing what it does, because that's obviously going to depend on where you bowl, what kind of oil they use, what kind of patterns on the lane, a lot of different variables. So if you're just watching this, it's really hard to get a gauge just based on watching. So I know we've been giving a lot of bowling balls away in league. I need to help the ball videos. Ricky, how many likes?
5,000.
5,000 likes will give away a brand new 900 Global Viking. 5,000 is a good amount.
Good amount.
I don't think we've hit that.
We've been hitting 4.
Let's hit that. 4, but we don't want to be reasonable. We need to above and beyond. I like that. All right, so 5,000 likes and if I strike here. That's probably striking. Hey, this thing's kind of nice. I'm feeling really good. I'm fresh off my win against EJ. But whenever you can beat the best player in the world, you got to feel pretty good about yourself. Viking, what's there to say about this thing? Where does it fit? What are you seeing? Amateur Ricky.
From my eyes, it does look a little earlier than the RST. But the RST, me personally, I would put surface on it.
Like I have right now?
Yeah, because when balls are shiny, it goes too far.
Okay. We are bowling on the house shot, by the way, if I didn't mention that. I think I did. But you know what? It makes more sense if we're bowling on a house shot, I guess. I've been bowling real good in league too, so here we go. I haven't missed yet. When did we start? That's 4 shots? Maybe 5? 4 or 5 shots? 4. Ricky doesn't want to stand in the frame, so if you guys hear a voice and Brian doesn't pan over him, it's him. Hey, we've introduced a new character on the channel, Ricky. If you guys want to see him and maybe a Pro VM, you guys have never seen him bowl before on the channel. He said he just went two-handed.
Oh no.
Let me know what kind of challenge you want to see if we bowl each other, because he's gonna need the help. Although you did beat me yesterday.
No, we beat you. It was me and Hunter.
You and Hunter beat me yesterday.
I beat you to, what'd I shoot? A 1, 2, 8, 10?
Oh my God, he washed out, hit the right side of it, and messengered it out to shut me out by 1. All right, I'm gonna play a little bit straighter here because I know a lot of you players like to play straighter than me. I'm probably still gonna be sliding about 30, so I'm sorry. My rev rate is a little bit higher. I'm gonna try to pet the kitty a little bit. So we call it being soft. That's why I don't pet the kitty, it doesn't strike. All right, that's a little straighter. I'm just gonna hook it though.
I feel the RST would strike from there.
You think so?
Yeah.
You'll pet the kitty a little more? Well, it has some surface on it, so it's gonna read a little bit earlier. Would I put this ball, the Viking, in the same bag as the RST Hyperdrive Pearl? Probably not. I think they're a little too close. But if you feel like hyperdrive pearl's a little too sharp, I think the Viking should be a good substitute. Or if you haven't thrown either and you're trying to figure out which one, the Viking should be slightly smoother. The numbers are very close. All right, we're gonna throw one with the hyperdrive in a similar spot. It's me petting the kitty. Oh, just enough. Oh, just enough. Just enough.
Maybe it's a cover difference because that one's a little duller.
Definitely. So would you say that the surface prep matters more than if, let's say, because this one's a hybrid, the other one's a pearl. Do you think the surface prep matters more than the actual cover stock?
From bowling, the league, I would say I stopped thinking about cover stocks, more so about surface. The front to back part of the lane is what matters more to me. I have a Zen 25. It's kind of different ball. I have mine at a solid 2000 because if I have it shined up, it goes 40 feet, never sees the lane, and then bounces off.
Okay, we're gonna throw the hyperdrive pearl in a similar spot to where we were striking pretty comfortably. That is left. That is left. I mean, shaping pretty good. I could see it transition a little faster, but the layout's a little different on that ball. It's 5.5 by 5.5 or 5.25. I don't really remember. It's on the screen somewhere. But the second number's 4.5, which is stronger than the Viking, which is gonna make the ball stand up faster. That makes sense to me. Flare-wise, very similar. I don't know if you could see it. The flare is gonna be pretty similar, even though the layouts are slightly different because the core numbers are very similar. So I'm gonna take a step left. We're gonna see what the ball wants to do from here. How hookable is this ball, as my brother would say? Speaking of my brother, if you guys are interested in pre-ordering this bad boy, head over to tvbowlingsupply.com. Use my coupon code DTANG5 for 5% off. Support the boys.
It came off the hand a little steep.
How appropriate is it that I just shouted out TV Bowling Supply and we had a drive-by 9-pin? So because of that, definitely head over to tvbowlingsupply.com and pre-order your Viking if you want a Stone 9 like the best of them at TV Bowling Supply. So I've been really liking our balls lately. Equinox Solid has been a home run for me. Rockstar Amped, also a home run. We've got Viking and another ball that's coming out too. See if we can get a grand slam with 4 of these releases. All right, one more time, same spot. Mashed potatoes, oh my goodness.
Ball's looking like the nut.
Storm's making it really hard for me right now because I just put the hyperdrive pearl in the bag over the Attention Star, and now we're coming out with the Viking. And I honestly think that the Viking fits right in between the two. So we just lost the Attention Star. So if this is earlier and smoother, it should be closer to the Attention Star. So I'm wondering if this was supposed to be the Attention Star replacement. It's not gonna be the same because the RG is a little higher, but Squall is doing the nice right now. I'm taking another step left. Just add a little bit of rotation. This is definitely a TV Bowling Supply ball. Mikey, you got a good one coming. I don't know if his video's coming out before mine or what. I'm gonna try to race him. I'm gonna try to drop this video as soon as possible. We've got 2 9-pins. Whoever leaves the most 9-pins wins. That's my challenge. Ricky, can we leave another one?
Probably can.
I'm gonna try one more time. This is also a 9-pin rack. That's a little slow. It's gotta go. I'm winning this challenge. Come on, baby. A 9-pin on command. Give me some.
No. I'll tell you what though. Lane 6 does usually give offset racks.
Hang on. No. Give me a little more credit for stoning that 9-pin on command. Come on, I just nutted 2 of them in a row.
That one was impressive because it was on command.
If you guys want free return down lane, the Viking's got it. It's got it. It could be the weaker layout I put on it, but Man, this thing, I hear a lot of, I want hockey stick motion, I want down lane motion. It's not snappy. It's very round off it. Not very, but it's rounder off it. It doesn't stand up as quick. Let me see what the hyperdrive does from there. I would think this one's gonna stand up faster. For those of you that don't know what that means or have questions about terminology, head over to howtobowl.com and hopefully we can help you out there. God, that was just left. Also a little more surface, so it's gonna want to pick up a little quicker. We'll give it one more.
Honestly,
Ricky, do you have any questions based on this? Like, anything about the bowling ball? Anything that you feel like I'm missing?
what I would say is go a little duller. I feel like front to back, it's a little too fast.
You think it's too clean?
Too clean through the front.
So you would hit it with a little bit of surface?
I would hit it with like a 3000.
I agree. I think you're
knock the shine off.
You're learning very well. So typically when we bowl on tour, we're hitting our balls with some surface just to knock the shine off because it gets very unpredictable, very sensitive to friction. So we want to make it earlier to blend it out a little bit more. We want the shape, but we don't want the unpredictableness. Somebody that's good at English, help me out here. All right, let's 9-pin one more time with this ball. That's got a chance. No. I mean, as you can see, I can see the difference because that one goes a lot further down the lane. It floats over there. I think it's only because it's shiny though.
Yeah.
But that one looks a little quicker to you, yeah? When it
I would say it sees it a little bit more.
It's not rounding off it as much?
No.
I feel like the Viking's rounding off of it much more.
I feel the RST stands up off of it and gets to it.
I like that. All right, so we're gonna throw one more strike here. We're gonna give away a Viking. So like the video, leave us a comment down below. Let me know if you want me to challenge Ricky over here. All right. I'll make you guys a deal. Easy deal here. 4,500 likes. We'll give away a Viking on this video. 5,000 likes. We'll give away another one on the league video. Because you know we're gonna throw this ball in league. I'm moving a little right. Hammered on that one. Woo! All right, guys, thanks for watching. This ball is nasty. I can feel it. We'll see you next time.